That was the easiest start of the smoker I think I've ever had. I'm going to be looking for to make sure that they have enough comb open for the queen to continue to lay eggs, because if she runs out of room, they'll start the process to swarm. It's a good sign that there's no comb being built in the lid. Here's the first frame that really shows how much nectar they've been collecting, and it's physically heavy, so you can, it's nowhere near ready to cap, but they are all the way up to the top putting stuff away. You can see the propolis just kind of shaves off. You can see they're starting to make it fat, so it's protruding past the frame. But they're drawing new wax on the old comb, making the cells larger. This one's pretty heavy. You don't realize how heavy honey is, but it's really dense. So here's a frame that they've started to draw out, and the thick comb is on the side where there is no drawn out. So they're just going to continue to make this thicker and thicker until I can't get the frames out easily. So I have to rearrange the house here. You could hear the pitch of the hive change. So I'm just going to add some more smoke, try and get them to settle down. Yep, they're drawing some fat comb as I pulled this out. The nectar started to drip along the bottom here. I wish I didn't have this mask on because I would just lick it. See, they're starting to cap the honey on this fresh, the drawn out frame. Holy crap. This frame feels like it weighs 5 pounds. My fingers hurt. You can see they're making fat comb over on this side. I'll give you a better look. You can see they're making fat comb over on this side because the frame next to it is an empty frame that they've only started to draw out. The other side's a little bit of fat comb. It's a little wavy. It's not perfect. But yeah, that's capped honey. They're getting ready to cap the stuff on the bottom there. There's not too many drones. I would expect to see more drones in this midsummer, later midsummer inspection. This is gonna be heavy. Oh my God, I'm getting old. Forgot how heavy a deep box weighs, full of honey. Probably farther down, but you can see how full frame. Oh, we got queen cells. There are eggs, so I'm not too worried about the queen having left already. I am going to check these cells for eggs before I destroy them. No eggs in the cells, which is good. Like that. There's nectar at the top and eggs on the bottom, or drone worker brood on the bottom. They have definitely run out of space to lay. However, I'm going to use this to give the bees more room to lay eggs, because the queen has run out of space basically. So I need to provide her with somewhere to go. It'll take the bees a while to build comb out on these frames. But basically what I'm going to do is alternate between a drawn frame that has bees on it and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in between all these spaces I'll put one of their drawn frames, and then from the box I'm pulling from I'll put empty frames to replace. Okay, I got those all alternated. And I'm going to put this back together. I'm going to put these back together in a different order, only because this box here is almost ready to extract. Oh God. So this is going to go on top. Oh my God. Sure, the hive isn't tippy. I'm going to collect all the propolis balls I threw into this lid as I was going through the hive. This is the ball of propolis that I've collected. And in about 2 weeks, maybe, I'll extract the top super of honey. But anyway, that's my beehive inspection. There were no active queen cells, and they looked pretty good.